Welcome to the Togian Islands. Join us on a 3-day journey where the sky meets the sea and adventure awaits at every turn. Get ready to discover the magic of this hidden paradise with our exclusive itinerary just for you. Day 1, we decided to climb a volcano. Little did we know that the volcano was in the middle of the jungle, and in order to get there, you had to ride 1 hour on the back of a local's motorbike.
We just finished our ride through the jungle, through the beach, through the stone riverbed, everything. And I mean, just have a look at this. It was, I think, the most dangerous ride I ever did on a motorbike, but it's so worth it. You can feel from the river over there, like the heat that's coming out. The river is heated by the nearby volcano. So the guide just said it's like 30 minutes walk up to the volcano, and you can really already feel the heat from there. So it's very promising, I think. And just the walk now, it's amazing. We're walking through this riverbed here, and you just, you know, there's like jungle everywhere. As you can see in the background, there's jungle over there. It's everywhere. It's amazing. Have a look at this. So, as you can hear, I'm pretty excited because I've been to many volcanoes. Susie never was on a volcano, so she's even more excited than me, but I never was on a volcano that active. So, it's very promising. Let's check it out, guys. Oh, good. So guys, we're getting closer to the volcano, closer and closer. So it's almost 40 minutes now, and I can't describe how hot it is here. Like the surrounding temperature is 30 degrees plus. And the worst thing is that the water from the river that is coming down here is, yeah, I don't know how hot it is, but they told us we can boil an egg in here, which we're gonna do. So it's pretty hot. And yeah, that makes it almost unbearable right now. So hopefully we're gonna be there soon. Oh, and it's really hot. You have to be careful here not to step in the water, because I think it's gonna burn your skin. So let's see. it is here. Isn't that amazing? I just got my feet burned. I don't know if you can understand me. If not, we're doing a voiceover after that. But that's so amazing right there. Have a look at this. It's really boiled, cooked, and it's hot. Once in a lifetime thing, guys. Wow.
Good morning here from our second day at Pristine Paradise on Una Island, which is outside of the Togian Islands, as you saw. And we're about to go scuba diving. This is why we're up pretty early. But we'll have some breakfast first. And we'll show you what we see down there.
Hey, bagaimana divingnya? Good. Good, huh? Good in California.
So good morning here from Una again. It's our second day here. It's a beautiful morning again, as you can see. So today it's day trip time. So we're just about to have breakfast. After that we start with the boat. We're gonna visiting the Jellyfish Lake. It's a cool place. We heard a lot of good things about it, so let's explore it.
So we just finished the Jellyfish Lake, had a little fly with the drone, and yeah, Susie got a little injury. She unfortunately cut her toe while jumping in the lake. It's salt water, so there are also a lot of shells on the plastic things to jump in. So she unfortunately ripped her toe there. So yeah, we have to figure that out, how bad it is, but Jellyfish Lake was definitely worth it, I think, right?
Yeah. So we just arrived at the village, which is built on water, and we're gonna take a look around and show you around as well.
So we are just going through this village, and it's really basic. It's a small Indonesian village, and but it's amazing to walk through here. I think it's something very special. We just need to find the directions. So this place is pretty amazing. We are on the top of this little island now, and we're watching down on Indonesian houses, and we have the best view, I think, that we can get up here.
Yeah.
It's turquoise waters, it's blue, it's amazing, I think. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's keep exploring. So behind me you can see some bungalows. It says it's a resort here. I'm not sure if it's already open or already closed again. I have no idea. You can just see these nice bungalows there within the ocean. I mean, it looks pretty amazing. So hopefully they are still like open, because there would be also a place we would like to stay, I think. Don't you think?
As our journey comes to an end, let us show you how to get to the Togian Islands. Hop on a ferry from Gorontalo for a 12-hour ride across the sparkling waters, and soon you'll find yourself in paradise. It's a long journey, but absolutely worth every moment.
So this is our little luxury room. We've got a whole bed, we've got air conditioning, and we've even got a TV. Don't know if we'll be using it, but still nice to have. We've got some water, we've got coffee, tea, and also candy. And let me show you the biggest and best part. We've got our own private bathroom. So yeah, we can't really complain about anything. Yeah, that'll be our home for the next 12 hours, but yeah, I hope we'll spend most of the time maybe sleeping. I mean, it's 3 p.m, but still.
Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. If you loved exploring the Togian Islands with us, make sure to subscribe and like for more travel adventures. We can't wait to share our next journey with you.